Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, how to grow your Instagram account in just 30 days. Whether you're a small business owner, an influencer, or just looking to expand your social media presence, these tips will help you get those followers up. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure your Instagram profile is fully optimized. Your profile picture should be clear and representative of your brand. Your bio should be concise, engaging, and include relevant keywords. Don't forget to add a link to your website or a link tree to direct followers to your other platforms. Identify who you want to reach. Are they fitness enthusiasts, fashion lovers, or tech geeks? Knowing your audience will help tailor your content to their interests and increase engagement. Plan your posts for the next 30 days. Consistency is key on Instagram, so aim to post at least once a day. Use a mix of photos, videos, and carousel posts to keep your feed interesting. Tools like Later or Hootsuite can help schedule your posts in advance. Ensure your content is high quality and visually appealing. Good lighting, clear images, and a cohesive aesthetic make a big difference. Use editing apps like Lightroom or VSCO to enhance your photos before posting. Engagement is crucial for growth. Respond to comments, like and comment on other users' posts, and engage with stories. The more you interact, the more visible you become. Stories are a fantastic way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Use features like polls, questions, and quizzes to increase engagement. Don't forget to post regularly to stay at the top of your followers' feeds. Reels can significantly boost your visibility. Create short, entertaining, and informative videos. Use trending sounds and hashtags to increase the chances of your reels being discovered. Hashtags help your posts reach a broader audience. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags related to your content. Tools like Hashtagify can help find the best ones for your posts. Collaborations can introduce your account to a new audience. Partner with influencers, brands, or other accounts in your niche. It's a win-win situation for both parties. Use Instagram Insights to track your progress. Analyze which posts perform best and at what times. This data helps refine your strategy for better results. And there you have it. Follow these 10 steps, and you'll see your Instagram account grow significantly in just 30 days. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more social media tips. See you next time.